Today I did a smoky eye, sultry sort of makeup look. If you like it, then keep on watching. So first, I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Primer. And then I'm going to wait a few minutes to let that set. I'm going to use my CoverGirl Outlast Extreme Wear Concealer for today. I don't know why I started with that, I just did, and I kind of went with it and applied my cover up after that. As always, I'm just going to blend this in with a beauty blender, and then I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This foundation and the concealer that I used are both full coverage, I believe. Now I'm going to use my bronze multi-stick from PersonaCosmetics in the shade Dune and just blend that in with a brush. I'm all for the cream and liquid products in the spring and summer. And now I'm using my MCO Beauty multi-use cream stick. This is the shade Kitty. And I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks and my nose. I like a little sun-kissed look, and I'm going to blend that in with the same brush. And now for highlight, MCO Beauty again. I'm using the Highlight Glow Beauty Wand in Champagne Glow. Just tapping this out with my finger. And now I'm going to set my under eyes and my face with the MCO Beauty Invisible Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder. This one states that it controls shine with a weightless sheer coverage. And now moving on to brows, I'm using my e.l.f. Lock-On Liner in Brow Cream in Medium Brown. This product is my favorite brow cream. I've been using this for many years. And now an oldie but a goodie, the PersonaCosmetics Identity 2 eyeshadow palette. I'm taking the shade Loyal on my outer portion of my lid and my inner portion of my lid, kind of skipping that middle part. Kind of like a halo eye. And as you can see, I'm really going to blend this out. Now I'm taking a more compact brush and I'm going in with the shade Brave. I'm going to build up this color and just intensify it until it looks how I want it to, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. This next shade is Independent, and it's a gorgeous grayish blue color. It has some sparkle to it, so I'm just going to apply this to the center of my lids and then blend it out with my finger. If you don't want to use your finger, you can always take some fixing spray and you can wet your brush with it, and then you can make the color intensified that way also. Taking the shade Limitless, which is the black shade in the palette, I'm going to add that to the inner and outer corners, and I'm just going to blend this into the shade Independent and make it look a little bit more seamless. First in tapping motions and then blending it out. This does take a minute, so just trust the process and keep on going. Now for my lower lash line, I'm taking the same shades I use on my lid, and I'm just going to do that to the lower lash line. Okay, now moving to the shimmer shade from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's called Fine as Fleck. I'm just going to apply this over the Independent shade and also my inner corner, because who doesn't love glitter? I'm going to touch up my lips with the L'Oreal Color Rich Nudes for Life lip liner. And of course, something hydrating, so the MCO Beauty 2-in-1 Lip Treatment. I'm using the Kiss Products Lash Couture Super Strong Strip Lash Adhesive in clear. I don't remember the lashes, so I apologize, but this is the finished look.